Guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, then hi, my name is Payal and this video is going to be about a product review which was highly requested onto my Insta page. So while ordering this product, I was just putting the stories like I'm placing an order for this product, and there were so many messages that they really wanted me to review this product. And I was like, why not? Because if something is customized for you, wouldn't it make a difference? And if I'm a person and I have certain kind of issues, not all products in the market will cater to those issues. Like, it will help me with the dandruff or it will help me with the hair fall, but probably it won't help me with the damage. So once I saw the advertisement, I've seen a lot of advertisements about this product on Instagram. So I was like, you know what, let me just order and make a video about it. Because let me be very frank, if you have seen my previous video, then I use Kerasta's shampoo and conditioner, which is damn expensive, and it's not even customizable as per my needs. So when I saw that there is a shampoo and conditioner now in India where you can actually customize your things, I was like, I'm gonna order and make a review about it. So the brand which I'm gonna talk about is Freewill. I'm damn sure that you would have seen the advertisement on Instagram for sure, and you would have even done your research on YouTube. So this is my take. Like, in this video, I'm gonna talk about my experience with this product, and I would suggest you to watch the video till end because I'll be sharing 10% discount code. So stay tuned for that. And what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So once I was done with the questionnaire, they asked me whether I wanted to opt for just shampoo conditioner or I wanted to go for shampoo conditioner and serum. I opted for shampoo conditioner and serum. The price was $16.50, which is fine when it comes to serum and shampoo conditioner. If you'll go into the market to buy them, it will usually cost that much, that too from a good brand. And if I'll count the money individually, it's $9.50. The shampoo is for $9.50, the conditioner is for $9.50, and the serum is for $4.99. Also, I would like to tell you that you can even customize the color. I forgot to mention that. Like, if you want pink and all, you can opt for that. I know pink is my favorite color, but still I opted for this minty green blue color. The reason is that because this is the color which actually signifies freshmen to me. So I want my shampoo and conditioner, like things like when I'm using it, I should feel fresh. So that's the reason of me opting for this color. Now let's just start with the product and its review. Firstly, I'll talk about the shampoo, and my main concern was that I use hot tool almost every single day, and apart from that, my hair is color treated, as you guys can see. That means my hair is extremely damaged and it needs something which is conditioning. But the problem is that my scalp is oily, and it's really difficult in India to look for the product like where the shampoo is actually meant for oily scalp and the conditioner is meant for dry and damaged hair. Whereas over here, you can actually customize as per your need. The shampoo is actually, like I've seen, if you'll see, it's quite watery. It was meant as per my need because I said that my scalp is extremely oily, so I want something which will help me in that case. And initially I thought since it's paraben and silicone free, that means it won't lather. But I was really amazed, guys. Like, even like 2 pumps, and the ones you will start just massaging your head, you will see that it actually lathers, and I was really surprised. And once it's enough, but most of the time, like, what happens is that Indian females usually put oil on their hair. So in order to remove that, I would always suggest, whether it's Freewill or any other brand, before conditioning, please try to wash your hair twice. Like, एक बार shampoo लीजिए, massage कीजिए, wash it off, and then take it another time, massage कीजिए and wash it off, and then only apply a conditioner. I was really amazed. I would say that when it comes to this, it lathered well. It has a very pleasant fragrance, paraben and silicone free. It actually delivered the result, and I was really amazed. That's what I exactly wanted to say. And it's been more than 1.5 months, and still it's only half bottle done. Like, abhi bhi aadha baki hai. That means it will be like more 1.5 months. And Yeah, that's it, and everything is mentioned behind also, like the bottle you can see. That's it. Now, talking about the conditioner, the consistency of the conditioner is quite thick. I'll just try to show it to you. Like if you see, even if I'm shaking the bottle, वो ऊपर आ नहीं रहा है. So yeah, it's really thick. It's more like a hair mask, which I was really impressed, and it's easy to take off. Like जितना easy it's easy for you to apply onto your hair, utna ही easy it is to take it off, because most of the time what happens is that when using a hair mask or a hair conditioner, you have to use lot of water to take it off, and if you're not taking it off rightly, what happens is that it really weighs down your hair. आपका hair बहुत चंपू लगते हैं. That's how conditioner works. So you have to make sure that once you have applied the conditioner, you take it off nicely, like एकदम अच्छे से पानी डाल के निकालो. So this is the best thing, like that's what I have noticed about this conditioner, is that it really like goes off very easily. You don't have to like put the water constantly अरे जा करके. So that's I really liked about it. And you just have to keep it for 3 to 5 minutes and it serves the purpose. How I like to do is that I like to segregate my hair, apply this, roll it up and leave it. Then similarly मैं एक और section लूँगी, I'll apply the conditioner, roll it up and leave it. And once I'm done with that, एक हल्का सा जूड़ा बना के I'll brush my teeth and उसके बाद I'll wash off. That's how exactly I like to do. And most of the time I like to use my shampoo and conditioner in the night. That's me, that's how I like to use. And मैं मॉर्निंग में मोस्टली हेयर वॉश अवॉइड करती हूँ अनटिल अनलेस आई एम डूइंग पूजा और मैंने कुछ पूजा पाठ वाला चीज़ दिन है, तो दैट्स द थिंग. बट मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम आई लाइक टू यूज़ माई शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर इन नाइट, बिकॉज आई लाइक माई कंडीशनर टू बी देयर ऑन माई हेयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. बिकॉज मॉर्निंग में क्या होता है, यू हैव अ रूटीन टू डू, सो यू जस्ट क्विकली डू इट. डोंट डू दैट. Try to keep it for a good amount of time, let it work. Yeah, so that's the conditioner. Again, the fragrance is very very pleasant. It's not strong enough, so don't bother about that. If in case you are like मुझे fragrance से allergy है and don't like it, don't worry. It has a very pleasant fragrance, and after a while you won't even notice it that there was a fragrance. So that shampoo and conditioner. And talking about the packaging, they both come into a pump bottle like this, which adds convenience in terms of traveling as well as taking out the product, which I absolutely love. And plastic bottle है, quite sturdy है, which is good. That, as I said, you can actually travel with them very easily. Now talking about the con, which I would like to share, is that the list of ingredients which are mentioned behind, it's not that much clear. That's the only con which I would like to say, because it's, if you'll see that it's very very small, and apart from that they have slashed, I guess those ingredients are not in your product, so they have slashed it out. But I can't read it, and I'm a person, let me be very frank to you, if I see the list of ingredients, I go and research about it and read about it, what exactly the purpose of that ingredient is. So this is something where I believe that Freewill brand should work. It's my opinion that they should work on this particular thing. And apart from that, everything is really nice. And since it's made in India, the formulation is in USA, but it's made in India. I would suggest that एक made in India भी डाल दो यार, अच्छा लगेगा हम सबको. So that's the only thing. Now let's just talk about the serum. The serum comes in a glass bottle like this with a dropper, which is cute. It reminds me of something like, which as if I'm in chemistry lab and putting, experimenting with different solutions. Yeah, as I said previously, the price of this one is $4.99 for 30 ml. Now, as I said previously, in terms of shampoo and conditioner as well, in regards to packaging, that the ingredients are not that clear. That's the only concern of mine. Now, what I like about this product is that once you're done with shampoo and conditioner, you just need 2 to 3 drops for your hair. Like for my hair, and I have a good hair quantity, as you guys can see that, it just need 2 to 3 drops and just run through your hair. How exactly you have to do is, like, I'll just show it to you so that it's easy for you guys. Just take it like 1, 2 and rub in between, and just here. Try not to put it on your scalp, else it will make your hair look very greasy. So don't try, just try to like touch it like this way, but एकदम उस पे ही focus मत करना. Try to focus on your ends more and less on your scalp. So yeah, that's the beauty. And the fragrance is, as compared to shampoo and conditioner, it's little strong, but it's very refreshing, which I like. It's quite refreshing, which as I said, I like. So that's the review. That's a short review. And I know I'll be getting questions like, Payal, what are the things which you have noticed using this shampoo and conditioner? See, the main concern of mine was hair fall, dry and damaged hair, oily scalp, and I have seen a difference. I don't know whether you guys can see or not that like if you notice that I'm getting a lot of baby hair, that means my hair is actually growing. I was facing a lot and lot of hair fall. It has definitely reduced it, guys, definitely reduced it, and it has also added that shine and that healthiness on my hair. Now the next time when I'm ordering it, I really wanted to try there something which is meant for curly hair, because I'm a curly girl and I really wanted to enhance and rock my curly hair. So I'm like, next time जब मैं order करूँगी, I'll opt for something which is meant for curly hair girls. In case you people are planning like whether you should buy or not, give it a shot, guys. Trust me, you won't regret it, because I have seen a difference. And when it comes to a shampoo conditioner, I'm a girl, you guys know that I'm using Kerastase, so when I'm comparing this product with that, then I'm saying it's definitely worth trying. I have seen a drastic change. I'm saying it again and again because I have seen it. In case you're planning and you really want to save some money, then what you can do is that you can use a discount code coupon which I have. I'll just flash it over here right now, and apart from that, it will be there in the description box. I'm glad that actually Freewill team actually provided me. They got to know that I'm a YouTuber, and they were like, okay, you in case if your followers want to order it, they can actually use the coupon code and they will get a discount, which was like, yay, thank you so much team, because that really means a lot. And in case you are the people who really want to try it, it's a good time because you'll be saving on the coupon code. So if not serum, at least try shampoo and conditioner. I'm telling you won't regret it, because I have seen a drastic change, and I keep using shampoo and conditioner from very lavish brands, so this has actually stood out. And next time I'm gonna order for curly hair, so I'll let you know about that also. So yeah, that was my take on this product, and I hope you liked it. Like, it was my honest take on this product, and since I was getting so many requests on Instagram, I was like, I have to make this video for you guys so that you people should know what exactly did I feel about the product and how was my experience. Did it really work or it was just hyped? So it actually worked. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? All you have to do is just hit that subscribe button, and while doing that, don't forget to hit that bell icon in order to be notified whenever I'll upload a video. And follow me on social media. Like, I keep putting stories on Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All links are there in description box. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.